That's me, the Now. I'm from grade BZ Myanmar school. Every day I wake up. I get up and make my bed. After taking a shower, I go change the bottle, water, and pray to God. I think you might want to know how to make a Buddha statue. Let me explain about it. Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a Buddha statue. The first step is we need to choose our wood type. Come on guys. This is tea wood and this is the hand wood. In English we call cedar wood, but this wood is so expensive and it has a strong smell. This is black tea wood. The next step is drawing. Come on, I will show you. Yes, it's so noisy because it's cutting wood with a chainsaw. The second step is drawing. Before we cut the wood, we need to draw on the paper. The drawing part is hard. If you don't know how to draw, you cannot carve. The drawing is the primary for the carving. These things are important to carve later. This is how to sharpen it. This is sharpening. If you can't sharp very well, the chip cells will get damaged. They have to keep their chip cells clean and sharp. We need to cut the wood to make a basic form. Look at his muscles. He is very strong because he's making the basic form. When you do the basic form, you need to cut out big parts. This is the most important part. We need to detail. If we don't detail, it's not good. What have we done? For the uncle who is detailing, he has to be patient. He has to use a lot of chip cells to finish one Buddha statue. This is the sunning part. This is sandpaper. See, they are working to rub the Buddha with sandpaper and make it smooth and clear. I'll show you how to do it. We need to rub like this. Also, we need to fold it like a triangle shape. And we can rub now. That's the sunning part. That's important. This is powder and this is the wood powder. And we need to stick it with glue so we can fix the cracks of the wood. We have to make sure we paint with the sealer. Sealer is like a plastic, so water cannot go through it. Make sure every part of the Buddha statue needs to be covered. That's my mom. She's doing the most important part of the Buddha statue. It's the face part. The eyes, nose, and mouth need to be proportional because when you pray to it and look at the face of the Buddha statue, it will be peaceful in your mind. The final stage, we need to check all the parts in the Buddha. If it's all good, we give it to the customers. Now it's time to put your Buddha in your shrine room. Step by step, I explain how to craft the Buddha statue. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.